I've got some cable protectors here. They're nice and flexible, textured on the top, but when you lay them flat, that's when they get strong. Just drive right over it. Let me stop up on top. Now again, it's 2,000 pounds of dead weight, about 40 inches each. So if you want to cover up a driveway, kind of a standard driveway, you probably would need 3 if you want to go all the way across. Now if you want to split them just to protect it from a vehicle, you could do it like that. So say you're going to run your Christmas lights or something temporary across your driveway. Maybe grandma's coming over in your house and she's got a wheelchair. You could just lay one like that. If you had some cables going across, or if you're doing some temporary internet cable, whatever the case might be, you've got to roll something over that cable like that. So take a look again. You can see all the webbing. This here is 1.57 inches wide. And then if you look here, the depth, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this is about 0.57 inches deep. Overall height at its peak is about 7/8 of an inch. Show you what now, you could put multiple small cables if you were doing phone line or internet cable, or something that you want to protect the cable, or if you don't want to trip. This here is a piece of 12/3 extension cord. So when it comes time for temporary power, or you want to run something across your garage, maybe you got to power the freezer temporarily or something, this is really thick gauge cable. So let's see what we can do here. So there is about as thick as you can get to cover up a cable. Again, this is a 12/3 with a really big shielding on it, probably